Welcome back to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can make your Snapchat account private. Now it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to click on your profile picture icon at the top left corner of your screen. It's going to bring you to your Snapchat profile. Over here, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you're inside your Snapchat settings, scroll all the way down until you see this option called privacy control, and right under privacy control you have to play around with some of these options. So first you want to click on see my location, and on see my location make sure you turn on ghost mode. Once you turn on ghost mode, no one will be able to see your location. But if you want some of your friends to see it, you can turn on the location. After you turn on your location, just click on my friends and only your friends will be able to see your location. But I will suggest you to just turn it off. And once you turn off ghost mode, click on my friends and only your friends will be able to see your location. But I will just suggest you to turn off your location, or like turn on ghost mode and click on until turned off, so that no one will be able to see your location. And then you want to go and view my story, and over here you can choose my friends, which means only your friends will be able to see your story. And if you choose custom, then only the people you have selected from over here can see your story. In this case, I will suggest you to choose custom and make a list of friends who will be able to see your story. But if you just choose friends only, it's also going to be okay, but I would suggest you to use custom. Then what you want to do is click on contact me, and under contact me make sure you choose friends. You can choose friends or friends and custom, but if you have an option called everyone, make sure you're not choosing everyone. Everyone means everyone who knows you and do not knows you can contact you, but I would suggest you to use friends rather than friends and contact. Once you do that, you want to click on see me in quick add. Over here make sure see me in quick add is turned off. Once you do that, your account will not be recommended to other people for them to add you on Snapchat. Once you do that, what you can do is basically just close Snapchat and reopen it again. Once you do that, all the setting which you just applied will be now, be applied on Snapchat, and you should be good to go. So that's how you guys can make your Snapchat account private. There's not a single button like in Instagram you can click to make your Snapchat account private. You have to do all these multiple steps and then only it will become a private account. So hope you understand on how to make your Snapchat account private. If you did, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.